Hey guys, you wanna go fishing? We'll go fishing, okay?
It was me! Yes! I did it like this!
Look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head.
Dear Grandma, happy birthday to you.
Well, thank you very much. I hope this is my last.
Would you like me to bring the cake?
And all of a sudden...
Where's Eve?
Out in the woods.
Check it out, it's a pattern. Toyota, Mazda, Toyota. What do you think the next car is going to be? That's right, it's a couch.
Oh my god, there's no way I choked that. Fuck!
That's bullshit.
Holy... Dude!
I asked my brother to drive us to the airport. Full on in character.
Alright, let's put both hands right here.
Apparently there was a parade today and you had to like shake some ass to get some beads.
I just bought this thing using my money from my job.
Why the fuck are you using your money from your job to buy you shit?
As a bilingual person, people ask me all the time, which one is it? Which one are you better at, English or Spanish? I'm equally shitty at both. I'm equally not fluent in both.
Bubbleheads! Just you and me.
Hey.
Peter, how are you doing that?
I don't know, Lois. I'm scared.
My dad said he wanted to show me his latest purchase. Apparently, it looks cooler in the dark. Why does he have headlights on his Crocs arm? What is he doing?
You guys, look at this little thing. Sound asleep.
I wonder if they stick. Oh, yep. They work.
Should we leave it alone? Should we back off? Should we play it safe? Nah, you think let's make it bigger?
Mr. Bombastic, bomba fantasta.